Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to restore your PayPal account if you forgot your password, username or something similar. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official website right here at paypal.com. Go ahead and open up paypal.com in the official URL bar. And once you open up the official website, you can go ahead and be greeted by the main page. So here is the home page where we can get started with logging into your account or creating a new one if you do not already have one. So guys, how can we restore an account if we forgot our login info? This is what we can do. What we can do guys is click the login button right here in the upper right corner. By clicking the login button, it's going to open up this new page where at the login page we can get started with logging in. So here is going to be our phone number or our mobile number or our email that we want to use for logging in, and here you can enter in your password. So if you do not remember your password or your login info, what you can do is click forgot password. By clicking the forgot password right here at the bottom of the page of the login bar, it's going to take you to the new page where you can get started with texting the mobile number that you're using with your PayPal, or you can just go ahead and receive an email. So you can click get an email or get a text, and it's going to text you a code that you can use for resetting your account. So once you have gotten your code, you can click the next button right here. That's going to enable you to enter in the code you have gotten, and from there you can get started resetting your password and using the new password that you wish, and it's easy as that. So that's how you can restore your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.